Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Students, welcome to your maths fun time. Count the objects and match to the correct number. Look here students, we have 3 strawberries in first picture. So क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, इन 3 स्ट्रॉबेरीज को नंबर 3 से मैच कर देंगे. सेकंड पिक्चर में देखिए, हाउ मेनी शार्पनर आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. We have 16 sharpener, so we match the sharpener with the number 16. Third picture is tomatoes. How many tomatoes are you see? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Oh, 12 tomatoes. So we match the number 12 with tomatoes. Fourth picture is, look here students, how many cupcakes are there? Let's count together with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. There are 14 cupcakes. So we match the number 14 with the cupcakes. Fifth picture is about candle. So let's count together with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So we match the number 20 with candles. Second last picture में देखिए, आपको कुछ oranges दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Look at this. We have some oranges. So let's count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So we match the number 9 with oranges. Last picture is about buckets. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we number 6 with the buckets. So we match number 6 with the buckets. इस तरह से हमारी पेज नंबर 34 की एक्टिविटी मुकम्मल होती है. अब हम मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी में.